Question number 7. Similar triangles. Exercise number 8.2. AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD. AB equal to X, CD equal to Y, PQ equal to Z. Prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. So here AB, PQ, CD are perpendicular to BD. So AB, PQ, CD are parallel to each other. He given AB equal to X, PQ equal to Z and CD equal to Y. And he is asking that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. This one we have to prove. We will see the solution. So first we write the given statement. Given AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD and AB equal to X, CD equal to Y, PQ equal to Z. We have to prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Solution. So here in triangle BQP and triangle BDC, first we are drawing one part of the diagram. So that is we are drawing BDC diagram. So I drawn this diagram, BDC diagram here, this diagram, only this diagram. So in BDC diagram, here two more triangles are there. So one is BQP, this is one triangle, and BDC is another triangle. So first we will see the similarities in both the triangles. So here in triangle BQP and triangle BDC, first B is common for both. So here BQP triangle, this triangle, and BDC triangle is big triangle. So if you see these two triangles, B is the common angle in both, and angle Q equal to angle D, both are 90 degree, here 90, here 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Again both the angles are equal. Angle Q equal to angle D equal to 90 degree, it is a right angle. And similarly, if two angles are equal, the third angle also will be equal by using angle sum property. Therefore, angle P equal to angle C. Angle P equal to angle C. So, therefore, we can conclude that triangle BQP is similar to triangle BDC by angle-angle similarity criterion. We know that if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So that is corresponding sides BQ by BD equal to PQ by CD equal to BP by BC. So from here we are equating these two. So we are taking only two, that is BQ by BD equal to PQ by CD. Now we substitute the values of PQ and CD from the diagram. So PQ value is Z, CD value is Y. So this is from equation number 1, or also we can see from the diagram. PQ it is given Z and CD it is given Y. We substituted these values. So finally we are getting BQ by BD equal to Z by Y. Let it be equation number 1. Similarly, we will compare two more triangles. Now I am taking, that is ABD triangle. First we took, this is BDC triangle. This part we took in the first. Now I am taking this part. I drawn this diagram separately here. So that is ABD is a triangle in which one more triangle is there, that is PQD. We will compare these two triangles now. So that is ABD and PQD. So just to see the similarities. So triangle DQP and triangle DBA, similarities we will see. So angle D, angle T, both are common angle, and angle Q equal to angle B here. So both are 90 degree, right angle. So if two angles are equal, so third angle also will be equal by angle sum property. Therefore, angle P equal to angle A. So we can conclude that by using angle similarity criterion, therefore triangle DQP is similar to triangle DBA. So from here, if two triangles are similar, we know that their corresponding sides in the same ratio. So that is corresponding sides QD by BD equal to PQ by AB equal to, and again PD by AD. Now you take these two, that is QD by BD equal to PQ by AB. Now we substitute the value of PQ and AB. PQ is Z and AB is X. So QD by BD equal to Z by X. So let it be equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2. So that is BQ plus BD plus QD plus BD equal to Z by Y plus Z by X. Now we take the LCM. Here LCM is nothing but BD. Both having same denominator. Directly we can do the addition of numerators. So that is BQ plus QD by BD equal to Z by Y plus Z by X. Adding 1 and 2. I will show you the equation number 1. So here is equation number 1. So that is BQ by BD equal to Z by Y. BQ by BD equal to Z by Y. We are adding first equation and with second equation. So that is only BQ by BD plus QD by BD equal to Z by Y plus Z by X. Both having same denominator. So directly add numerators. BQ plus QD by BD equal to Z by Y plus Z by X. Here BQ plus QD is nothing but the length of BD. Just you see, observe carefully. BQ plus QD is nothing but length of BD. I will replace this BQ plus QD with BD. BQ plus QD I will replace here with BD in the next step. So that is BD by BD equal to Z I took common, remaining is 1 by Y plus 1 by X. So BD and BD is going to cancel. So after cancellation remaining is 1 here. So 1 is equal to Z into 1 by Y plus 1 by X. So here Z is in multiplication, it will goes to division. So finally 1 by Z equal to 1 by Y plus 1 by X. So rewriting here. So I am writing the right side part as left side part as right side. Finally I will get 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. This is only required to us, hence proved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on bell button for regular updates.